Hey, I'm Matt with Firehouse Haulers, and today we're going to talk about how to choose the right size dumpster for your project. So if you're not sure what size dumpster you need for your project, let me give you some recommendations and share with you some of the sizes that we offer and how they're best used. So to start, every Firehouse Haulers dumpster was custom built to fit in a standard parking space. So pretty much anywhere you can put a car, you can put one of our dumpsters. The two sizes behind me are our 12-yard dumpster and our 20-yard dumpster. The only difference between these two dumpsters is the sidewall height. They both have the same footprint of 16 foot long, 7.5 to 8 feet wide, and then the height changes depending on the volume you need for your particular project. So let's break down these two sizes and tell you where they fit well with certain projects. So let's take a minute and talk about what types of projects are really good for the 12-yard dumpster. So the 12-yard dumpster is great for small renovation projects like kitchens and bathrooms, flooring, sheetrock in 1 to 2 rooms. It's also great for those weekend junk removal projects like removing furniture or cleaning out a garage. Another common project we see the 12-yard dumpster get used for is small landscape removal projects like removing shrubs and debris and small trees. Those types of things are great with this dumpster because it's got a low sidewall height, and people that have mini skid steers and small equipment can load that material from the side straight into the dumpster. Now let's take a look at our 20-yard dumpster. The 20-yard dumpster and the 12-yard dumpster fit in the same footprint, but the 20-yard dumpster has about a 6-foot sidewall height, making it much more capable of holding those large, bulkier items. A 20-yard dumpster is capable of holding about 7 to 8 pickup truckloads worth of material. So this makes it the ideal dumpster for larger clean out projects when you have big bulky items like couches and furniture. This is also the go-to size for contractors that are doing larger remodel projects and construction projects. Even though this dumpster has a 6-foot sidewall height, you can still open up the rear door, making this dumpster easy to load from the back of the dumpster. Hopefully this video gave you a little bit of information about what size dumpster may be right for you. You can check out firehousehaulers.com to order a dumpster online 24/7. You can also give us a call at 601-460-0270. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.